Hello everyone, I am Aishwarya Gulse, PhD scholar from University of Hyderabad. I have been supervised by Professor H. Nagarajaram. I am going to present our research work entitled Analysis of Host Pathogen Protein-Protein Interaction Network with special focus on HIV-MTB co-infection. HIV-MTB are among the leading cause of death worldwide. Their co-infection contribute high incidence of mortality. WHO reported 0.2 million deaths in 2019 due to this co-infection. HIV-MTB act in synergy. HIV increases the risk of latent TB to active TB by 20-fold, and MTB increases the level of HIV-1 replication, propagation, and genetic diversity. Together, they break down the immune defense of human. HIV-MTB co-infection is more severe than their mono-infection. Hence, we use protein-protein interaction network analysis approach for the depth understanding of HIV-MTB co-infection. Objective of our work is identification of important human protein and analysis of their characteristic feature in human PPI network which make HIV-MTB co-infection more severe than their mono-infection. To achieve this, we used experimentally verified known MTB human and HIV human protein interaction, and we integrated it with known human protein-protein interaction. It generates HIV human MTB bridge network, which represent snapshot of co-infected condition in terms of protein-protein interaction among three stakeholders. From this bridge network, we categorize human proteins into four different types. First, common human. These are the human proteins are commonly targeted by HIV and MTB. HU-HIV are the human proteins are only targeted by HIV. HU-MTB are the human proteins are only targeted by MTB. Anti-human are the human proteins are not targeted by either of the pathogen. After categorization of protein into different categories, we calculated centrality properties like degree, betweenness, and eigenvector by using iGraph in R. Then we did functional enrichment analysis by using FunRich tool. Then number of splice variant calculated by using Biomart. Expression and abundance of protein were retrieved from the Human Protein Atlas database and PEXGP. From all the box plot, it has been seen that common proteins have higher degree value, higher betweenness value, and higher eigenvector value as compared to other three categories of protein. It means higher centrality of common human protein measures their essentiality in living cells. Geocellular component enrichment analysis shows that common human and human HIV proteins are enriched with membrane, cytosol, nucleoplasm, and extracellular region, whereas human MTB proteins mainly enriched with cytosol and extracellular region, and anti-human proteins are found mainly in mitochondrial region, cytoplasm, and cytosol. When considering molecular function, common human proteins involve in RNA binding, human HIV protein involves in RNA binding, DNA binding. Here, human MTB mainly involve in identical protein binding and RNA binding, whereas anti-human protein involve in metal ion binding and RNA polymerase related function. Here we can see that common human, HIV human and MTB human are mainly involved in RNA binding, which are very important for gene expression regulation. Common human proteins involved in various biological pathways such as viral process, activation of immune system, double strand break repeat. Same for human HIV. It involves in viral process, immune signaling pathway. Human MTB mostly involved in cope to vesicle related function, whereas anti-human mainly involves in multicellular organism development. In this box plot, we can see that common human protein abundantly expressed across the tissue as compared to other three categories of protein, which suggesting that they are housekeeping genes which are very important for cellular process. In this plot, the expression level of common human HIV, and human MTB are almost similar, and it is slightly higher than anti-human protein. The splice variant plot shows that The common human protein have higher number of splice variants as compared to other three categories, which shows their involvement in multiple pathways. Result shows that common human protein are topologically important in human protein-protein interaction network, and functional enrichment analysis reveal that common human protein are mostly involved in regulation of process related to immune system, gene regulation, etc., which are very necessary for host pathogen crosstalk. They express abundantly across the tissue and having higher number of splice variants. So, overall, it concluded that common human protein found to be very crucial protein in human protein network. By targeting them, HIV and MTB ensure their establishment with human host by gaining control over information flow in human protein-protein interaction network. Thank you so much.